Hello students, are you struggling to draft a descriptive essay? Watch this video to learn everything about descriptive essay writing. Descriptive essay is writing used to describe anything to the reader from a writer's perspective and give an experience of 5 senses: sight, hear, taste, smell, and feel. You need to follow 6 simple steps for a successful descriptive essay writing, and they are: keep your audience and your interest in mind when choosing a topic for writing a descriptive essay. Example: morning jog in a park is our essay topic. Refer to multiple reliable sources to collect information for your essay. Example: according to our example, let's collect information on jogging in parks in the morning time. Based on your research study and university guidelines, prepare an outline. As per our example, let's structure the information on morning jog into different sections. Now, prepare an initial draft of the essay following all guidelines set by the university. Let's write down our thoughts about jogging in the morning at any park. Now, go through the whole essay and take an overview to ensure everything is good. Since the essay is ready, we will review the draft to ensure all our thoughts are expressed in it without missing any. Do the final editing and proofreading of the essay before submitting the final document to the professor. The last step is to ensure our morning jogging essay is all ready with no flaws and errors for submission. Here's an example of a descriptive essay on morning jog in the park. There are 3 main sections in a descriptive essay: introduction to state the topic, body to explain the topic, and conclusion to restate the topic. Follow these 5 simple tips to impressive descriptive essay writing. These are some topic suggestions that you can try for your next descriptive essay. In this video, you've seen what a descriptive essay is, how to structure and write it, tips to write an impressive descriptive essay, some topic suggestions, and an example for better understanding. Hope you learned about descriptive essay. Thank you for watching, and if you learned more from our video, like, share and subscribe to our channel.